welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Sanae, and if you haven't done so, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and to turn on your notifications to get notified every time I post. I bought this new palette from BH Cosmetics. I really like BH Cosmetics because it's very affordable, and the colors are very pigmented. I was gonna get the James Charles one, but I said I'm gonna try this one first and then I'll see. But yes, this is what it looks like. I used this one for my inner corner. I used this one for this shimmer or shadow, and then I used this one and this one. As you know, I'm more of a nude girl. Like, I like nude colors, I like brown colors, orange colors, and all that. And I thought that I would try out something new, and for every month I'm going to pick a color, and for this month I picked pink because of Valentine's Day. So this is what it looks like. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer as my primer. I'm just gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. Apply my base shadow. I'm just gonna blend it now. And then with my same Maybelline concealer, I'm going to cut my crease. Oh, that went a little bit too far. I like to do this because it makes it easier for me to apply my shimmery eyeshadow or any type of glitter. I'm just gonna go back and with the same pink eyeshadow, I'm just going to put a little bit more down here. That was a little bit too much. I'm just gonna blend it out. And then from my NYX, I don't know how to say that. I mean, I think it's just NYX. I'm going to go ahead and outline the inside of my eye and the bottom with the color, I think it's just brown. Yep, it's Brown Perfection. It's called Brown Perfection. Color inside. And the bottom. And then with my Real Techniques smudge liner, I'm going to like smoke out the bottom of my eye. But I mean, I can't really like smoke it. Like, I'm not really good at that yet. But I'm gonna try. I mean, this side came out okay. And then I'm gonna go with my Clinique liquid eyeliner pen and do my eyeliner. I wasn't going to do my eyeliner, but I don't know, I feel weird if I don't do my eyeliner. Oh my god, my stomach's growling. My eyeliner's not the same, but that's okay. It's never gonna come out the same, so don't even trip. I like this eyeliner. The only thing I don't like about it is like it's really thin, so I gotta like color in my eyeliner like really much, a lot, as you see, like what I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and with my concealer, with the same one, with the Maybelline concealer, I'm going to outline the bottom of my eyeliner just to make it a little bit sharper. That's gonna help a lot. You see? I'm just gonna color. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I like to do this before I put my eyelashes on. And then for my lashes, I'm going to use the same ones I always use, the Ardell Remy lashes. Those are my favorites. And then for the glue, I like the Kiss Strip Lash, the black one, the one that has a lower, I don't know. And I'm just gonna go with the lighter shimmer color to go inside the corner, or my inner corner, I mean. So this is the final look. I used 4 shadows, 3 shimmery colors, and 1 matte. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe and to turn on your notifications to get notified every time I post. I will see you in my next video. Bye!